So hey guys, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to make all photos the same length in CapCut. So right here I have 3 photos, and what I usually do in CapCut if I want to make them the same length, we have a photo with the desired length and we drag the other photos underneath this clip so we can see if it's the same length. One thing you want to do is just to turn on this auto snapping, because if I have this turned off and if I drag the photo's length, then it doesn't show when it's matching the originals. But if I turn this on, as you can see, the blue line shows that now it's the same length basically. So we want to turn this on, and what you want to do is just do this with the specific clips, then just put them back next to the original clip, and that's how you make all photos the same length in CapCut. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to all premium CapCut features, you can try out CapCut Pro for 7 days for free by clicking the link in the description below. Also, check out our CapCut video editing for beginners ebook that you can also download for free. And last but not least, have a look at our other video editing tutorials, resources and reels in the video description as well.